In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete liked videos on YouTube. This is really useful if your liked videos playlist has become cluttered, or if there are old videos you don't want to see or recommend anymore. I'll walk you through the process step by step on the YouTube website, and by the end you'll know exactly how to remove any video from your liked list. First, open your web browser and go to the YouTube homepage. Make sure you're signed into the account where you've liked the videos you want to remove. If you have multiple accounts, double check that the profile picture in the top right corner matches the account you want to edit. All the changes you make will only affect the account that's currently signed in. Once you're on YouTube and signed in, look over to the menu on the left side of the screen. This is your main YouTube dashboard, where you'll see sections like Home, Shorts, Subscriptions, and so on. In the same left-hand column, scroll down until you see the option called Liked Videos. This is actually a playlist that YouTube automatically creates for you, containing every video you've ever given a thumbs up. Click on Liked Videos to open that playlist. You'll now see a list of all the videos you've liked, arranged from the most recent to the oldest. Take a moment to scroll through and find the video you want to delete from this list. You can play a few seconds if you're not sure it's the right one, but you don't need to open it fully to remove it. When you found the video you want to remove, look for the 3 vertical dots next to that video's title. On desktop, these dots usually appear when you hover your mouse over the video row. This icon opens a small menu of extra options related to that video. Click on the 3 dots and a drop-down menu will appear. In that menu, look for the option that says Remove from Liked Videos. This is the command that takes the video out of your liked playlist. Go ahead and click Remove from Liked Videos. The video will disappear from the list almost immediately. That means it's no longer stored in your liked videos playlist, and YouTube will no longer count it as one of your likes. If you change your mind later, you can always go back to the video itself and tap the like button again to re-add it. You can repeat this process for any other videos you want to clean up from your liked list. Just open your liked videos, click the 3 dots next to a video and choose Remove from Liked Videos.